Hello, little artists. Welcome back to FunLand Library. Today, we are going to turn the number 6 into a cute little snail. Sounds exciting? Let's get started. First, grab your A4 size paper and a pencil. Now, draw a big number 6 right in the middle of your paper. Great job! Next, draw a circle around the top of the number 6. It should touch the top of the 6. Wow, that looks cool! See those two circles? Let's connect them by drawing a curved line, just like a bridge from one to the other. Now, it's time to draw the snail's body. Start from the bottom of the shell and draw a soft, curved line going down and out. This is our snail's squishy, slimy body. Let's draw the face and little horns on top. Add a happy smile too. Time to bring our snail to life with beautiful colors. You can use any colors you like. Make it bright, make it cheerful. Wow, what a wonderful, colorful snail you've made. Wasn't that fun, friends? If you loved today's drawing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another creative class. We'll be back soon with more amazing number art and drawing fun. Till then, keep smiling and keep creating. Toodles!